Spaghetti with butter and Parmesan. Put about 1 liter of water to boil with 12 grams of salt. Weigh about 80 grams of spaghetti. When the water boils, put the spaghetti in and with a wooden tool, as in the video, slowly let them go completely into the water. From this moment, the cooking time begins, which you will find in the spaghetti package. Take a piece of butter of about 10 grams and put it to melt in a plate placed on the spaghetti water. When the cooking time has passed, or even slightly before, to cook them al dente as the Italians do, drain the spaghetti and pour them into the plate with the melted butter.
Aspetta.
Ecco, basta. Adesso mescolo.
Mix very well.
Parmigiano.
Add 1 or 2 teaspoons of grated Parmesan.
Mescolo ancora. Si spegne.
Enjoy your meal.